Riyad As-Salihin, The Gardens of the Righteous, by Imam Nawawi, produced by Respect Graduate School. Chapter 59, Quranic verses, Forbearance, Patience, and Kindness. Even so, O Messenger, adopt the way of forbearance and tolerance, and enjoin what is good and right, and withdraw from the ignorant ones. Do not care what they say or do. Al-Araf 7:199. Overlook the faults of the people, O Messenger, with a gracious forbearance. Al-Hijr 1585. Let them pardon and forbear. Do you not wish that Allah should forgive you? An-Nur 24:22. Indeed, whoever shows patience and forgives the wrong done to him, surely that is a very meritorious thing, a matter of great resolution. Ash-Shura 42:43. They spend out of what Allah has provided for them, both in ease and hardship, ever restraining their rage, even when provoked and able to retaliate, and pardoning people their offenses. Allah loves such people who are devoted to doing good, aware that Allah is seeing them. Al-Imran 3:134. Goodness and evil can never be equal. Repel evil with what is better or best. Then see, the one between whom and you there was enmity has become a bosom friend, and none are ever enabled to attain to it such great virtue, save those who are patient in adversities and against the temptations of their souls and Satan, and none are ever enabled to attain to it, save those who have a great part in human perfections and virtues. Fusilat 41:34-35. Hadith number 328, narrated in Sahih Muslim Iman 25. Ibn Abbas, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said to Ashaj Abdul Qais, "You have two qualities which Allah loves, forbearance and steadiness." Hadith number 329, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Adab 35, Sahih Muslim, Bir 77. Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, reported that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, Allah is kind and loves kindness in every matter, and kindness has been granted capacity which violence could never attain. Hadith number 330, narrated in Sahih Muslim, Bir 78. Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, reported that the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "Whenever kindness is in a thing, it adorns it, and whenever it is removed from anything, it disfigures it." Hadith number 331, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Wudu 58, Adab 80. Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, said, "A Bedouin urinated in the mosque. The people moved towards him, and the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, said, 'Let him be and pour a bucket or pail of water onto his urine. You were sent to make things easy and not to make them difficult.'" Hadith number 332, narrated in Sahih Muslim, Sa'id 57. Shaddad ibn Aus, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, Allah has prescribed good for everything. So when you kill, kill well. When you sacrifice, sacrifice well. Each of you should sharpen the edge of his knife and should calm down his sacrificial animal. Hadith number 333, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Adab 80, Hudud 10. Sahih Muslim, Fada'il 77. Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, said, "The Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, was never given a choice between two matters without taking the easier of them, as long as it was not a wrong action. If it was a wrong action, he was the furthest of people from it. The Messenger of Allah did not take revenge for himself in respect of anything unless it violated the sanctity of Allah. Then he would take revenge for the sake of Allah the Almighty.